Depot on the beat.
What is good, YouTube? My name is GReddy signing in, and welcome to my channel. So today I actually didn't get to film earlier. We were actually playing basketball with MJ and my other friends, and step back that crowd, it's like a foot volleyball. But today it's actually something important. We're actually getting my car lowered officially, so I'm at my friend's or my buddy's house once again. Same place as last time where we installed the GReddy exhaust is right there. This is Daily Accord right here, super sick, and his Hyundai Genesis Coupe, super sick. But yep, so today we're gonna lower the car, and so here's the D2 lowering springs. Okay, look at that. Give me a second. Okay, we got the D2 lowering springs right now. Gotta get this installed. Hopefully it will turn out sick. And as you guys can see, the fitment right now is just stock. Got the curve rush there. That's from the previous owner. You got the girl right there eating. So yeah, today this is actually the one that came from the purchase I did, which I got scammed. But I got the little lowering springs, but the Ktuner was actually locked, so that one is useless. I don't know what to do with that one. So what's up, dog? There's the man himself right there. Jeez. And girlfriend get the. Alright guys, so this is the before and after. Look at that stock, kind of whack, so high. And then it's the front one. I think you'll see the huge difference in the back, usually with the D2 lowering springs. So this is the stock right now. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're gonna start anytime soon. We got the girlfriend chilling there on her seat. Okay. So with the right front wheel right here. So the brake was too hot, so we had to like make it wet for a bit so it gets cooled or something. Right now, I don't even know. I'm just literally just watching because I don't know what I'm doing. So, alright. That's so loud. But yeah, this is my first time getting the tire out from I think for the D2 lowering springs you need to take off this bolt and maybe bolts from out inside the hood too. Not sure. Alright, so it's finally off. Had to take off those 3 bolts right here. It's not bad. That's pretty easy. Pretty quick. Have to be very careful though. Have to take the whole thing. Go put that back there. This is the hardest, right? You said? Kind of missed it though. I didn't get to film it, but yeah, all you need is WD-40 if you're having a hard time to get it slimy or like slidey. Guys, so the front is kind of ready. It's already here. And then I just went to grab something. We're gonna put it back on the right. It's a bit rusted there actually. There's some rust. Alright. Sumawakan ka, bro?
Bakit? Ano ba yung mistake? Kakatapos na namin yung alam mo yung Tolo Boys nasa Netflix.
Tolo boys.
Yeah.
Working on that right front wheel. Never saw that one. What do you call that, John? Rubber boots.
Dami kasing rubber boots sa ano sa part sa suspension. Stopper.
So
yeah.
this guy's actually in school right now for automotive.
Bam.
We got the self-taught guy right here. Living legend or what?
Huh?
Living legend. Hi guys, so it's already nighttime as you can see, but we finished the front. Look how low that is. Sheesh. Fitment, fitment. Let's see. Ooh, earlier it was like 4 fingers, now it's just 2 fingers, a 2-inch. Damn. Guys, before and after, oh my days. As you can see, it's already nighttime. Well, kind of. It's already 8. But front is done, everybody. It's crazy. Guys, we're doing the back now. Nighttime. No choice, I might have to call. I'm gonna be late.
Okay, what time na pala?
It's like 8 something now. Yeah, shouldn't take long, right? Alright guys, almost done. We finished the left, I mean actually the right one, but this is the left. We're almost done too. Alright, so dark now as you can see. We started like around 6 p.m. Sorry about that noise. Alright, finally have some lightings here. Oh my god. Scared the fuck out of me, bro. Living the low life right now. Guys, so as I said, almost done. Getting the last one finished here, I think. Is it almost done, basically? The T2 right there. Got some LED lights. Got John doing the torque wrench right here. God damn, bro. Sheesh. Damn, bro. That's so low. Damn. Thanks, Tol. Thank you.
Come.
Fuck. So, alright guys, we finished once again. Torque wrench once again is done. Before and after. Right here. Looking good. Super sexy. Shout out to RC. Big shout out. Part of the low life now. Hopefully I like it. Looks more aggressive. Alright guys, once again officially lowered with the D2 lowering springs. Front lid will be installed soon too, maybe, but we gotta get it paint matched first. Not much of a light as you can see. Oops, there you go. Shout out to Vladdy for moral support.
Yep, staying here till I don't know speak. Since 7.
Cutie. Big shout out to these people. RC and John, shout out. May konting camber sa likod, no? I think.
Stock camber, yeah.
Stock camber.
Negative 3.
Yan.
Naka-camber rin.
Yung CJ din, di ba?
Ginalaw namin yun eh.
Kaya pala tol, yung likod niya sobrang camber, no?
Ginalaw.
Bingo. You left me. Con. You left me. You left me here alone.
Alright guys, that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. So we already officially finished it. As you can see, it's all lowered now. The DT lowering springs, more aggressive. It's crazy. No more gap. Fitment issues. So nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. My name is GReddy, signing out. Peace.